This house has 5 bedrooms, RV parking, and a pool.
Wait, is that a pickleball court?
Hey, Milanka, where are you going?
I'm going to play pickleball.
And while she's playing pickleball, let me show you the rest of the house. Check this out. Private pool, beautiful rolling hills, and total privacy. It's perfect for relaxing and entertaining.
Live vacation every day, homegrown. Santa Clarita secret.
Inside, there's 5 bedrooms. There's space for family, guests, or a home office.
We don't need a resort, 5-bedroom with our own court. Santa Clarita secret. Tucked away just right. Turn the key once. You're staying the night.
Shade tree, sway, cool drink on the patio. Laughter from the court, friends in the afterglow. Kids chase dreams, dogs race the lawn. Hard to believe this used to be just gone.
Santa Clarita secret. This is our little world. Pickleball, sunrise, backyard twirl. Private oasis. We don't...
So if you're looking for space, views, or just the fun outdoor living in Santa Clarita, this home has it all. What are you doing now?
Sorry, this is my perfect staycation home.
I guess I'm the only one working today.
First sight.